Hi everybody, welcome to Paper Wishes Weekly Webisodes. I'm Lene Gehrig, and today from our friends at Crafter's Companion, I've got these Gemini Scenes of Light cutting die sets. They are amazing. They make beautiful cards like this one my friend Debbie made. Look how it pops out. Come back, you don't want to miss a thing, so come play with us. So let's start off with what you get in each one of these sets. So Debbie did, here we go. This is the Rooftops of Light, and it comes with 6 pieces. You've got your die cuts, and you also have a great little Christmas stamp. So this is the dies, and I think the little Christmas stamp is still on Debbie's desk, but you can see it here. You've got Season's Greetings. She used for this Snowfall 12 by 12 paper pack and coordinating cardstock, as well as some beautiful metallic silver paper from this great Crafter's Companion gold and silver luxury mirror cardstock. And it's just got fantastic silver and gold backgrounds in this fantastic metallic color. Aren't they fantastic? So she used that quite a bit on here. And also on her card front, she used some snowflake dazzle stickers. Extra little sparkle, and when you open her card up, and I should mention this right here, this greeting is from this paper pack. It's a cutout. You open this up, you see that beautiful mirror paper, and it's got this beautiful little village scene with Santa up there in the background. So beautiful. And of course the little stamp right here. So I'm definitely going to show you how these work and how to put them together. This next card, this happy birthday card, gorgeous. Isn't that beautiful? This one uses the Fairies of Light. Here's this set right here. Oops, pieces fell off. There we go. This one has a sparkly little fairy. So cute. And Debbie told me a secret. She put some acetate behind these cutouts right here, a little sheet of acetate, cut out a little strip, and then put some little dazzle stickers there. So for this card, Debbie used Secret Garden paper, or this is a patterned cardstock, and it's coordinating solid cardstock to actually make the card. And then, as I said, she used a little strip of acetate. You can buy this by the sheet at Paper Wishes. And then for that little sparkly fairy, she used this great, great sticker paper. This is clear glitter adhesive sheets. You just peel this off, and you can put it on your die cut images. So actually, rather, you would take some cardstock and die cut your little fairy, and then rather, you would take some cardstock, put this material on top of it, and then die cut your fairy. And then you could just glue it over this fairy piece that's already there. And then for her dazzles, she used these gold dazzle, jewel dazzle stickers, and using this little jewel picker is so handy. Got a little tacky end on each end. It's a small and a large size. And you just take these and you just sort of make a little stirring motion with them, and they just lift right off. There we go, they lift right off. You can see that. And then you can place them. Let's zoom in on this a little bit, Steve. And then you can like place that little sticker along your card and along here where you've placed this acetate. That's sweet. And then right here, Debbie used, she stamped this in black, and then she went back and stamped it again using some a WOW embossing pad, and then sprinkled a little bit of midnight beautiful embossing powder on that. It's not just black, it has some like gold and silver sparkles in it. Really gorgeous. All right, so let's show you how this works. I'm going to do that with, this is the, not the rooftop set, Lene. Here we go. Where is it? Oh yeah, here we go. This is the Nativity of Light Set. And that is the card I showed you here at the very beginning. Isn't this gorgeous? Oh, so beautiful. So we put this on some black cardstock, and now I'm kind of wondering, okay, I'm going to do this. So first of all, you take your black cardstock. Here we go. And we've already die cut this, so Here we go. And let's measure this to see how wide this is. So this is 12 by 12 black cardstock. So it's 12 by, if I can work a ruler, 12 by 6, okay? Just under 6, so about 12 by 5 7/8. And then you're going to fold it 1 7/8 inch from each side, okay? And then you're going to fold that in half. And then she took her little dies and she said you want to make sure you first are going to use one die at a time here. So she put this down first and she cut her arch, okay? And we like to use a little bit of hunky-dory low-tack tape. You can also use low-tack washi tape to keep your dies down. I should mention all of these fit through, so because you're cutting your paper below less than 6 inches wide, so this is 5 7/8, so it'll pass through a 6-inch wide Big Shot or Gemini Junior. And so you're going to die cut this one, and then you're going to run it through, replace it here, the arch, and run it through again so that you have 2 cut arches. Okay, so you're cutting your arches here. And then you're going to place your little seam. So we've got a seam here. Whoops. My other one, I think, is still in my package here. There we go. And then your other one is going to go here, right? And then you're going to run it through your machine again, so that when you remove that, you're going to have your seam. And of course, you're going to have your other seam right here. And then we've also got this little seam that goes back here. Okay, so we're going to cut that as well, so that, and it can be really from any size scrap of cardstock. This one happens to be 7 inches wide, and she went pretty tall with this one, but you really only need about 2.5 inches. Run this through your machine as well. Then you're going to have your little seam here. And what Debbie did was she took a paper trimmer and then just cut that down. Ooh, I need to change my blade. There we go. And then you'll just take some little scissors and just sort of cut that away. There we go. Okay, so there you've got your little scene of Bethlehem. All right. And so then she made her card, actually the card front, of this beautiful mirrored cardstock from Crafter's Companion. And then, so this is the card inside rather, and then she glued on the front, after she glued her scene in, she glued some black cardstock to the card front, and then another piece of this gold paper a little bit smaller, and then this scene right here is just a repeat of what you did on the inside, and then she just cut that down. And then she used some wonderful little peace, love, and joy tiny words and phrases dazzle stickers right there. And of course here she used gold embossing powder. So once again using her Wow embossing pad, and then my gold embossing powder is somewhere. Here it is. Right here. And then put that right there. So as you can see, beautiful, stunning card. Glued her panels right here after gluing the little scene here, and you glue them there and it just pops right up. So fantastic, right? If you are interested in this wonderful money saver we've got going on this, you guys, you just want to look on the right hand side of your screen right over there. And if you're watching us on our webisode page, and if you're watching us on our YouTube page, just look for the link below the video and it'll take you to our webisode page where you can see the money saver and also a products used drop down menu below the video where you can see everything that we used here. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.